this is how far I got. So I'm starting to get the aggregate coming up through. I did like basically a big U shape on Friday, and I've still got the center to do. Let's see if I can get close enough. Can you see the difference there? There's the aggregate. So the central track, you can still see, this is like the first pass where it dug in deeper in some places than in others. Here we are where the office is going to be, and also the stairwell, which is going to go up here. I haven't brushed this up, so it's a bit tricky to see. Around here, we had a bit of a high spot when we did the pour, so I spent the last knock-ins on Friday getting that down. So hopefully we should have a nice level section of floor here. And that's important because we have a wall going along here. So a wall will come here, and this will be the shower tray. We can always split one in half on the angle and then add it on top of another piece.
Yes.
When we do this, we need to get a timber through the back of there, because when we cut out with the jigsaw with a thing, we'll take that little piece and drop it in the back. Right, okay, so we've got screws. Oh, self-tappers.
Yes. This is what I have left.
Well, they're filthy anyway. The edge of these, the 15s, the 18s. I was like, yeah, 30 millimetres, that's more, that's completely fine.
And you want something funny? So, Julien, finally, we call me, but the fence wasn't in the delivery. In 2 weeks. Oh.
Look what has come from Poland. Thanks, Pete. Let's get this in that hole and actually get this barn properly weather tight. La 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 la. A special message from Peter. So juvenile. I think it's safe to say that Merlin has definitely won the day today in terms of amount of work done. I did that, and I went to the déchetterie twice, and I did a bit of ordering, but that's about it. Anyway, progress is progress. Hope you like this one, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.